Well, July heat continues, and remember, this is the time of year where average highs, our morning lows, our daytime temperatures continue to trend higher and higher until they max out in the first 2 weeks of August. And these are the last days of July, so we're only going to get hotter from here for a lot of areas and a lot of states across the U.S. Now, here's the next 3 days. Tomorrow, 102, 100 Wednesday to 101 Thursday. So, not much variety every single day. It starts off nice and comfortable, at least warm, but daytime highs just continue to climb and recover rapidly into the triple digits. Tonight, no concerns of any severe weather in the region. If any isolated storms develop these next 48 hours, it's way to the west towards New Mexico. And, nothing in this atmosphere is conducive for any rain development. Remember, there's a ridge of high pressure overhead, and as a result, it just leads to a couple of high clouds overhead. But none of these clouds have any vertical development. With high pressure, it acts as a lid and it just pushes down in the atmosphere, and nothing can form. And as a result, you get clear skies and temperatures responding right around 100 degrees every single day. You will notice by, Thursday, Friday into the weekend, maybe a little bit more high-level cloud cover, hopefully bringing in some shade and some relief. And then if rain forms, it's up farther north by this weekend. Some isolated storms maybe between Midland, Lubbock, and again, towards New Mexico. But limited coverage, no significant chance for rain in the 7-day, not just yet. All right, meantime, here's tonight's forecast. Tomorrow morning, you're waking up to the lower 70s area-wide. Mostly clear, it's quiet, anywhere from Coleman to Heard and in San Angelo, from Mason out towards Midland. Anywhere from 68 to 71 on the average for morning lows. A little bit more warm out towards the I-20 corridor. Speaking of warm, it gets hot, right? 101 to 102 across the region, across the Concho Valley. It is a hot day tomorrow. Please be careful, take breaks, and drink plenty of water. Have a bottle of water at arm's reach because there is no significant relief in the outlook in the long-range forecast into late July into early August. Winds tomorrow on the range of 5 to 15 miles per hour with occasional winds up to 15 to 20. But otherwise, it's quiet underneath this ridge of high pressure, this heat dome that pretty much parks itself across our region, right over Texas, right over the southern and central plains. And it amplifies, it strengthens, which is why 102 to 103 is possible by the middle of this week, which we'll show you in the 7-day. Now, this weekend, it starts to move and migrate a little bit farther west, which opens the door by early next week, so next Monday, next Tuesday, for a couple of disturbances to roll in. But it's minimal right now. We'll keep you posted. Here's your San Angelo 7-day forecast here in Fox, West Texas. Tomorrow, 102, 100 Wednesday, and we're right around that mark. Maybe a little hotter Friday in some locations, 103 to 104. That could challenge some records, at least maybe prompt a heat advisory in some locations. 101 Saturday to 99 on Sunday. Bottom line, it's hot, it's clear, and chance for rain is very low with any relief in sight. Not much until maybe the middle of August when this weather pattern breaks down.